In this video, data professionals talk about the visualization tools they rely on the most and why.
The visualization tool that I rely on most in my day-to-day life is Cognos Analytics. There's a few reasons for this. One, it allows me to very quickly import a spreadsheet, connect to a database, and visualize my data, whether that's me understanding what I want to look at and dragging the fields on, or using our AI assistant to present the data to help me understand and explore what might be interesting in there if it's a new data set I've never worked with before. Now, on top of that, I can also go ahead and start to do some more complex things or even just some more robust analysis with our reporting tool to allow me to build out and schedule reports for delivery. If I wanted my sales team to have their pipeline report or their sales opportunity report every Monday morning, set that up once, use what we call burst key, and then have that sent out automatically every Sunday night. So it's waiting for them in the morning. On top of this, I can start to combine multiple data sources and have the system help me create those joins together and then be able to visualize those all on a single, simple dashboard that's highly interactive, allowing you to filter and sort dynamically, as well as share that out with the rest of my organization so that not every user has to go through the same experience. We've set up the dashboard once, everyone can then have access to it.
In terms of visualization tools, I rely the most on Looker, which is a data visualization tool that sits atop my company's internal database. It's similar to Tableau, which I've also used in the past and find pretty easy to use. And the great thing about these data visualization tools like Looker and Tableau is they let everyone throughout the organization, regardless of whether or not they're data professionals, easily kind of see their data and do basic aggregation or sorting on it. A data visualization tool I really rely on for exploratory data analysis is R. I've been a big convert in recent years to the effectiveness of doing basic data analysis and data visualization in R, particularly using the tidyverse, which is a collection of packages that help you really easily load in your data, aggregate it at different levels, and also quickly and easily visualize it.
Tableau and Power BI no-brainer. They're easy to pick up and very helpful to demonstrate data. And as more and more companies and people start to utilize them, there are more and more built-in templates and libraries.
I would say the visual cues would probably be Excel and Word, just the Microsoft suite, and just looking at and using the sums and the macros to make sure that the data, before I even dive in, that it's clean and that it makes sense and that it is prepped for what we need it to be.